Inaksyonan na ng Korte Suprema ang petisyon ni Vice President Sara Duterte na ipaulambisa ang ika-4 na impeachment complaint laban sa kanya. Sa inihayang petisyon for certiorari and reprohibition noong February 18, iginiit ni VP Sara na nilabag ng Kamara ang patakarang nagbabawal ng impeachment proceedings laban sa isang opisyal ng higit sa isang beses sa loob ng isang taon.
Vice President Duterte filed a petition for certiorari and prohibition with a prayer for a temporary restraining order, or TRO, seeking to nullify the fourth impeachment complaint against her. She claims the impeachment complaint violated Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 5 of the Constitution, which states that no impeachment proceedings shall be initiated against the same official more than once within a period of 1 year.
Matatandaan na unang isinampa ang 3 impeachment complaints laban sa pangalawang Pangulo noong December 2024. Ngunit nitong February